In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find sent emails in Outlook. Quick and fast tutorial. Let's start with the simplest place, the Sent Items folder. Open Outlook and look at the left sidebar. You'll see a list of folders. Click Sent Items. This is where Outlook automatically stores messages that were sent successfully. If you've just sent something, give it a few seconds to appear. If you don't see it right away, try scrolling or use the search bar at the top of the window to narrow things down. For a faster approach, use Outlook's search. Click the search bar and type keywords you remember, like the recipient's name, a word from the subject, or a unique word from the message. You can also use powerful search operators. Try typing from Shatta Ami to show emails you sent. To focus on a specific recipient, type to followed by the person's email address. If you're sure you attached a file, use from Dati Me has attachments. Yes. To find something sent today, enter from me sent today. And if you remember the subject line, try subject invoice, or replace invoice with the word you recall. These operators can be combined or adjusted until you land on the exact message. If you're away from your desktop app, check the web version. Open the Outlook web app in your browser, sign in, and click Sent Items in the left pane. The layout is slightly different, but the folder names and search tools work the same way, so you can use the same keyword and operator tactics there. Still not seeing it? It might be in another mailbox. If you have multiple accounts, archives, or shared mailboxes, click the search bar and change the search scope to all mailboxes. This widens the search, so Outlook checks every connected account and storage location at once. If you suspect the email never actually went out, look in Drafts. Open the Drafts folder and check for an unfinished message. You can open it, review, and send when ready. Also check deleted items in case the message was moved or removed by accident. Open deleted items and use the search bar to look for the same keywords or operators you tried before. Finally, turn on Conversation View to see related replies and your sent messages grouped together. Go to the View menu and enable Show as Conversations. This makes it much easier to follow a thread and spot your outgoing email alongside the responses. That's it. With sent items, smart search operators, the web app, wider mailbox searches, drafts, deleted items, and conversation view, you'll find your sent emails quickly and